first I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes using the MAC Prep and Prime. And I like to use my fingers to put primer on my eyes so that way I can have full, like I know where the primer goes on. And the same with this one. Perfect. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush. So the first color I'm going to take is this one right here. I'm going to put it on all over my eyelid. Keep blending until you see it's smooth enough. I think that's pretty good. The next color I'm going to use is this one, and I'm just going to do that on my top crease. And if you notice, I'm going in a circular motion and kind of like a rainbow from right here, and back and forth. Same on this side, so that way it gives us, this color will give us a depth. Is that. And then next I'm going to use the color that is below this is the one I use, and this is the one I'm going to use. Struggle is real. And then just tap it on the corners and slowly work your way in. Not so much in where it can get in the middle, because we're going to use a different color on that. And do the same on the other eye. Making sure you're not going in the middle, because it will get darker, and we're trying not to get darker over there. Now get the clean brush and kind of like get this color, the one I got earlier, the first one that I chose, and then just go back and forth to blend that. That way any harsh line will be removed. I think the one I'm going to use is from Anasthasia Beverly Hills, and that's the brush that came with one of their palette too. And I'm going to use this side. And I'm going to get the, let me show you the color. I'm going to get this color and then just go under eye. The reason why I like this brush is because this is very precise brush and it won't go outside the line where you don't want it to go. That is just a very light smoky eye. And then just cover my acne scars. So this is the complete look, and I have done my and I did my foundation off camera. Lashes, I have the extensions on, so I don't need to do that. So I really hope you guys like this tutorial. If you do, please go ahead and subscribe my channel, hit like and the notification bell so you do not miss any other episodes that's coming up next week. I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.